In recent times, NFTs have gained massive popularity, particularly in the art world. A striking example is the digital artwork by Beeple, which sold for a staggering $69 million. But it's not just about art. NFTs can represent anything from virtual real estate in digital worlds to ownership of music tracks. So, why are we talking about NFTs? Because they're changing the way we own, buy, and sell digital items. They're creating new opportunities for artists, creators, and investors alike. NFTs are reshaping the art world and online commerce, but how does one get involved? Stay tuned to find out. Imagine owning a digital artwork that no one else in the world has. This exclusivity is one of the many fascinating aspects of buying non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. However, it's not all smooth sailing. NFTs are notorious for their environmental footprint, as they are built on energy-consuming blockchains like Ethereum. Moreover, buying an NFT means entering the world of cryptocurrencies, a realm of high volatility and complex regulation. It's important to understand these intricacies before diving in. So how do you decide whether an NFT is worth buying? Research is your best friend. Look at the artist's track record, the rarity of the NFT and its historical price data. Wondering where to buy these digital tokens? Online marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, and Mintable are popular choices, but remember, due diligence is key to avoid falling for scams. Buying an NFT is a unique experience, but what about creating your own? Creating an NFT is like minting your own digital gold. It all starts with an idea, an artwork, a piece of music, or any digital asset you believe holds value. Once you've created your asset, you can transform it into an NFT. A unique, verifiable, and non-interchangeable token on the blockchain. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Creating NFTs has its pros and cons. On the bright side, it allows you to monetize your digital assets and potentially reach a global audience. However, it also requires careful consideration of legal aspects, like copyright issues, to avoid potential pitfalls. There are various platforms available for minting NFTs, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Some platforms may offer lower fees, while others may provide a more user-friendly interface or a larger community of potential buyers. Creating an NFT is an exciting venture, but how do you protect your investment? Stay tuned to find out more. Owning an NFT is not just about buying or creating it, it's also about managing it. It's like nurturing a digital asset. You need to know how to store, manage, and display your NFTs. They are unique pieces of data and they require unique storage solutions. Digital wallets or vaults can ensure your NFTs are kept safe and secure. But remember, the digital world is rife with scams, theft, and loss. So how do you protect your NFTs? Be vigilant. Always double-check transactions, use secure networks, and never share your private keys. And what about tracking and optimizing your NFT investments? Keep abreast with the latest market trends. Use platforms that offer analytics and consider diversifying your NFT portfolio. Being part of the NFT community is about more than just owning NFTs. It's about enjoying and supporting the creativity and innovation that this space offers. Owning an NFT can be rewarding, but what does the future hold for NFTs? The world of NFTs is evolving rapidly. As we plunge deeper into the digital age, NFTs are set to play a significant role in the future of online transactions and digital ownership. NFTs have already begun reshaping the art world, creating a new marketplace where digital artists can sell their work directly to collectors. In the coming years, we could see NFTs becoming more prevalent in various sectors, including real estate, gaming, and even in the music industry. Imagine owning a piece of your favorite song as an NFT or a virtual piece of land in a digital world. While the potential is enormous, it's important to navigate this space with knowledge and caution. The volatility and speculative nature of NFTs can pose risks, but with the right understanding, the possibilities are endless. As we stand on the brink of a new era in digital ownership, one has to wonder, what will the NFT landscape look like in 10 years? If you've enjoyed delving into the world of NFTs with us, consider subscribing to our channel, Crypto Trading Masterclass. By doing so, you'll be the first to receive our latest videos and updates on the ever-evolving landscape of crypto trading. We aim to provide you with a wealth of knowledge, helping you navigate the complex world of cryptocurrencies and NFTs. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Crypto Trading Masterclass community. Together we can explore the limitless possibilities of the digital age.